Happy New Year. Welcome back. We're back into the shop, and today we're going to be working on this old vise that I got. I got this off of Craigslist maybe last year sometime for $30 or $40, and it's pretty beat up, as you could see, but I was just going to mount it and start using it, but I think I'm just going to clean it up and paint it. So let's get going on that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start taking it apart so we can just clean it up and paint it. I'm not going to do nothing too crazy with it because it's just a vise. And let's just get going, right? Alright, so that didn't take too long. It's a pretty simple little vise. It's no big deal. It was a cheapo. We got everything ready for paint. I'm just going to tape off this little area here. Maybe tape off this area here. And we're just going to paint it and then put it back together. This isn't a restore or rebuild or anything. It was just to clean it up, and you know, it's going to start a new time here in my shop. So I wanted to look nice for a little while. So that's all this was going to be. So all right, let's just get this thing ready for paint. We're just going to wipe them down with some mineral spirit and then start shooting some paint on them. So let's get doing. So we'll let those all sit dry for a couple minutes, and then we'll be ready to start painting them. So I think it's ready. They're ready to be painted. So let's start putting some paint on these things. Alright, so we'll let those dry for, 20 minutes or so, and then we'll get another coat on them. Alright, so we got this thing all painted up real good. It came out real nice. So we just got to clean up some of the paint that we oversprayed on, and then mount this bad boy up, and this job is done. Alright guys, check it out. It is done. It's 100% done now. It's mounted. And it was a nice little project. It was pretty fun. So if you like me doing these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up on this. Let me know, because I got a bunch of more crap I could fix for you guys. So let me know, and take care, and we'll see you soon.